Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial for Ghost Effect. So without further ado, let's jump into After Effects. Select a new composition and import your footage into it. Basically you have to shoot your footage into two parts. One is clean plate shot and other is footage with yourself moving past the camera from one side to the other. Split your footage into two parts so that clean plate shot is below and other part of the footage in which you are in is above. Adjust the clips. Then make a simple mask on top subject layer just before you are about to get to the wall. Set the mask feather to 45 pixel. Then finally set the opacity of the top subject layer to 25%. And you are done.